Hey there, folks. Whether you've got a low-end or high-end PC, unnecessary background services can hog resources, slowing down your computer's performance. Today, we're diving into disabling 11 unnecessary services that could be bogging down your system. It doesn't matter if your computer is fresh out of the box or has seen some miles, these tweaks can give it a boost. So let's jump in and disable some services. Go to the Start menu, right-click, and select Run. Now type services.msc and hit Enter. A new window will appear, and from here we will disable the unnecessary services. So first we will disable ActiveX Installer. If you're not using Internet Explorer, disabling this service could save resources. Just right-click, go to Properties, switch it from Manual to Disabled, and click Apply, and then OK. The second one is BitLocker Drive Encryption Service. If you're not using BitLocker to encrypt drives, this service can be safely disabled. Just ensure your drives are decrypted beforehand. The third one is Connected User Experiences and Telemetry. This service collects data for user experiences. If it's not something you need, stopping it and setting it to disabled could enhance your privacy. The fourth one is Fax. If you're not using fax capabilities, disable this service as it won't impact regular use. The fifth one is Print Spooler. For those who rarely print, disabling this service could free up resources. Stop the service, then set it to disabled in Properties. The sixth one is IP Helper. It helps with IPv6 connectivity. If you're not gaming online or relying on it, you might consider disabling it. The seventh one is Geolocation Service. If you don't use location-based services on your computer, this service can be disabled without significant impact. The eighth one is Phone Service. If your computer isn't used for phone calls, disabling this service won't affect regular usage. The ninth one is Remote Desktop Configuration. For those not utilizing Remote Desktop or Remote Assistance, this service can be safely disabled. The 10th one is Windows Biometric Service. If you don't use biometric recognition, you can disable this service. And the last one is Xbox-related services. If you're not gaming via Xbox or connecting to your computer, consider disabling these services. These tweaks help optimize your system by shutting down services that might not be essential to your usage. Remember, it's about finding the balance between functionality and performance. If this helped optimize your PC, give it a thumbs up, share your experience in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. Sharing is caring, so pass this along to your friends and family. Take care, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye and have an awesome day.